In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export custom symbols on MT5. Before we begin, make sure you already have MetaTrader 5 open and that you're logged into your account. You should also have the Market Watch window visible because that's where we'll start. If you don't see it, you can usually enable it from the View menu in the platform. First, move your mouse over to the Market Watch area, which is the panel that lists all the available trading instruments like currency pairs, indices, or other symbols. Once you've found it, right-click anywhere inside that Market Watch window. This right-click is important because it opens up a context menu with several options specifically related to the symbols you see. From the menu that appears, look for the option labeled Symbols and click on it. This will open a new window that lets you manage all the instruments available in your platform. In this Symbols window, you can see different groups of instruments, but what we're interested in here is creating or working with a custom symbol that you can later export or use according to your needs. Next, inside the Symbols window, find the button or link that says Add Custom Symbol and click on it. This is the feature that allows you to set up a symbol that doesn't come by default with your broker's list. It might be a synthetic instrument, a modified version of an existing symbol, or something you want to test historically. Once you click Add Custom Symbol, the platform will guide you through a series of on-screen prompts. Follow these prompts carefully. You'll usually be asked to define several parameters for the symbol, such as its name, number of digits, contract size, and other trading specifications. Take a moment with each field and make sure the information you enter matches the data you plan to use or test. Incorrect settings here can lead to inaccurate charts or backtesting results. Continue stepping through each page of the prompts until you reach the end and confirm the creation of the custom symbol. When you're done, your new custom symbol should appear in the list. From there, you can use MT5's built-in tools to export its data, attach it to charts, or include it in your analysis and strategies, just as you would with any standard symbol.